Hi, Ja.
Hello.
Ready to practice with your story?
Okay.
Sebenarnya yang gampang-gampang aja. Anissa tadi kesulitan karena dia coba bikin yang rumit-rumit. Make it easy,
Okay.
make it simple. Let's wait for Anissa and
Yes.
Alicia.
Okay.
Okay, Anissa is here. Anissa, when you have to make a story, make it easy, make it simple. Buat yang mudah, buat yang gampang, jangan terlalu belibet bikinnya. Okay? So for example like this. Nggak ada PR, siswanya seneng, ya kan? Take a look at the picture. Because there's no homework, siswanya senang. Tapi tiba-tiba ada kejahatan. Untungnya ada seorang superhero datang sehingga penjahatnya bisa ditangkap polisi. Gitu aja ceritanya, jangan yang ribet-ribet. So make it
Sorry, Miss.
What is it, Cha?
Jadi bukan satu gambar itu satu cerita atau
Biasanya 4 atau 6 gambar menjadi satu cerita. Okay, so usually 4 to 6 pictures into one story. Jadi satu gambar tuh seharusnya cukup satu kalimat aja, satu atau dua kalimat, nggak usah panjang-panjang. Okay. As long as the story continues, selama ceritanya nyambung, prokternya pasti kasih nilai bagus. Oke, kenapa? Karena yang diminta adalah kemampuan membuat cerita yang bersambung. Apa ya? Kemampuan berpikir logis. Jadi logikanya tuh nyambung, jangan putus-putus. Misalnya cuman gini. The teacher gave no homework. I go online with Zoom. Loh, hubungannya apa tadi? Di sini nggak dikasih PR, tapi ujuk-ujuk di sini online Zoom. What's the connection? Harus ada hubungannya. That's what the proctor wants. And then, the next part, this is a superhero. Nyambungnya kemana lagi dari tadi nge-zoom tahu-tahu ini superhero. So you need to tie in some stories. Okay? Dibuat cerita sesimpel mungkin. Prokternya nggak mungkin meminta kalian buat cerita 16 episode kayak K-drama gitu. Nggak mungkin lah. Okay? It's impossible. You just have to make a short story, a simple story. Ready, Cha? Let's practice.
Okay.
Okay. Chacha, I'm going to start with part 1, and then you are going to continue with part 2, 3, and 4. Let me start with part 1. One day at school, the teacher gave no homework.
Two. I go home and I watch a TV, see a famous girl. What, Miss?
Gak tahu mau lanjutin ceritanya kemana. I don't know. You need to continue the story. Tadi karena nggak ada PR, pulang ke rumah nonton. Lanjutannya ada gambar superhero gini apa dong?
I go to a supermarket with my mom and I see a superhero.
Tuh, ini yang nggak nyambung. Tadi lagi nonton, terus tahu-tahu ke supermarket lihat superhero. Nyambungnya bikin nyambung. For example, I watch TV and I see a superhero story. Nah, itu lebih nyambung.
Okay.
There you go. Ceritanya superhero-nya nangkap penjahat. Nah, udah selesai ceritanya. The end.
Yeah.
Jangan bikin yang susah-susah. Think simple. Simply. Okay, ready? One more time. Chacha?
Okay.
I'm going to start with part 1. You're going to continue with part 2, 3, and 4. One day at school, the teacher gave no homework.
I back to home and I watch a TV. I watch a cartoon superhero. The superhero is catch the villain. Not good?
Kosakatanya dipakai, responnya cepat, suaranya jelas. So, those are the things that count. Ada masalah grammar sedikit, ya maklum lah. Okay. So, something like that. Kayak gitu aja, simple. But, biasanya kalian udah terlalu, suruh buat cerita. Allah, ya itu tadi ceritanya jangan kayak drama yang 16 episode, yang gampang-gampang aja. Okay? Alicia, are you ready to practice? Alicia, are you ready to practice?
Wait.
Don't turn off your audio. Okay?
I watch.
Wait, not yet. Pengujinya belum mulai udah I watch. Not yet. Wait. Tunggu dulu, pengujinya kan nanya tadi. Alicia, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Do not turn off. Itu kebiasaan banget sih, langsung dimatiin audionya. Do not turn off your audio. Okay, ready? One day at school, the teacher gave no homework.
I watch a movie. I watch a movie.
Kadang pengujinya nggak nunjuk lagi karena di gambarnya udah ditulis A, B, C atau 2, 3, 4. So, you need to continue on your own. Melanjutkan sendiri. See? Alicia is turning off her audio again. Kebiasaan jelek.
I watch a movie. The name is Superhero. And the superhero
You have prompts to help you. Di gambarnya juga biasanya ada tulisan-tulisan untuk membantu kalian. Tadi Caca juga pakai villains. Pasti karena baca di sini ada villains, terus kepikiran, oh iya pakai villains. Betul?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, pakai. Kalau ada prompts-nya, ada petunjuknya, dipakai. So don't just leave the clues there. Jangan dianggurin aja.
The superhero catch the villains and thieves. And
one thing that you need to learn. Satu lagi yang perlu kalian pelajari. Kalau mengakhiri cerita, nadanya turun. Kalau enggak, pengujinya masih nungguin. This is Alicia. The superhero catch villains and thieves. Pengujinya masih nunggu. Kecuali kalian bilangnya gini. The superhero catches the villains and the thieves. Pengujinya tahu.
Miss,
oh, ceritanya tamat. Yes, what is it, Cha?
Can I go back?
Can you go back where?
Roll kabel.
Huh?
Ke belakang sebentar.
Oh, okay. Can I go back? So I was like, kembali kemana? Okay.
Angle of my camera.
Okay. Go. Okay. So Alicia, when you finish your story, make sure that it's the end. Don't say something like, The superhero catch villains and thieves. Lalu, so you need to end it. Check one more time. Ready, Alicia?
Repeat.
Repeat from the beginning. One day, the teacher at school gave no homework.
And I watched a movie and the name is Superhero. The superhero gets the villains, and thieves.
There you go. Something like that. Okay? So make sure that you are doing it with confidence. Pakai percaya diri, jangan tadi sempat Okay, so where's Chacha? This is the second part.
Yes.
So, the first part was comparing. Bagian pertama membandingkan gambar. Bagian kedua membuat cerita. The third part is always about you. Bagian ketiga selalu tentang kalian. Miss, what do you mean about me? Well, it's a personal, they are personal questions. Pertanyaannya pribadi. For example, who is going to be the first one? Ini, mini, mini, mo. Oh, sorry. Tadi part 1 Caca yang pertama, part 2 Anissa yang pertama, part 3 Alicia will be the first one. Alicia, what's your favorite superhero? Oh, sorry. Who's your favorite superhero?
Logical.
Alicia, not Caca. But Alicia is turning off her audio, so I don't know. Alicia, dinyalain sedetik, dimatiin lagi. Alicia, who is your favorite superhero? Waktu tunggu 15 detik. Oh, I already told this to Caca and Anissa, but you weren't here before. Ca, jawabnya gimana?
What, Miss?
Jawabnya gimana kalau ditanya udah Guild 6A? Boleh nggak Spider-Man gitu dong? Can you do it like that?
My favorite superhero is a Spider-Man.
Pakai kalimat complete. My favorite superhero is Spider-Man. Okay. Ready, Alicia? One more time. Biasanya waktu tunggunya Proctor 15 detik.
My favorite superhero.
Wait, belum ditanyain.
Oh yeah.
Wait, we're practicing to answer promptly. Alicia, who is your favorite superhero?
My favorite superhero is Spider-Man.
Why do you like it? Why do you like him? Because I am handsome. Ah, there. Segitu aja cukup. Nggak perlu yang bingung-bingung. Because he's handsome. Because he's cool. You don't have to think, apa ya? Don't. Relax, calm. Okay? Asalkan santai, semua bisa dijawab. Okay. So, Alicia, if you had special power, what would it be?
What, Miss?
If you had a special power, what would it be? I will be disappear. What? I would be?
I would be disappear.
I would disappear. If you had a special power, what would it be? It would be, I would be able to disappear, something like that. Why do you want it? Pertanyaan yang juga selalu ada adalah why. Okay, why? You also have this at during the class. Selama kelas juga Miss Teti selalu bolak-balik nanya why, 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 why? Karena kemampuan mengutarakan pendapat adalah yang paling tinggi dalam kemampuan menjawab. So if you can answer the why question, it means that you know your English well. So Alicia, why do you want to be invisible? Why do you want to disappear?
Because because if I disappeared, I be disappeared if gimana bahasa Inggris?
Make something simple. Jadi kalau mamaku marah, aku bisa ngilang, Miss. So,
Ya,
if my
gitu.
yeah, so
Ya, itu.
what is mamaku marah in English? Tuh, Anissa udah jawab tuh. If my mom is angry, I can disappear. There you go.
Yes.
Something simple. Try to make simple sentences like that. Buat kalimatnya yang gampang-gampang aja. Jangan yang terlalu rumit, jelimet, kalian nggak tahu. Malah waktu tunggunya lama, poin berkurang. Oke? Caca. Hai, Ca.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you who's your favorite? Sorry, what is the most dangerous? Kita apa sih chapter 5? Hang on, I forgot. What did we learn in chapter 5? Oh, disaster. Yep. Okay, so Caca, what is the most dangerous disaster for you?
Disaster. I don't know.
No way. You cannot answer an oral test with I don't know. The most dangerous disaster for you.
Disaster, bencana. Yeah.
But
tsunami.
Ca, tadi giliran bukan Caca yang ditanya, jawabnya benar. My favorite superhero is Spider-Man. Sekarang giliran Caca yang ditanya, tsunami.
Yes.
The most dangerous disaster is...
The most dangerous disaster is a tsunami.
Why?
Okay. Wait. Many people is died from tsunami.
There.
I think it's dangerous.
Okay. So remember, don't take too long to answer. Jangan terlalu lama nunggu jawabnya. Oke, karena ada waktu tunggu. Caca.
Yeah.
what had you prepared if tsunami happened?
I will prepare mukena, Al-Quran, money, and many water and food.
Oh, water and food nggak pakai many. You don't count.
Oh yeah.
Much.
Okay.
Much.
Okay. Thank you, Miss.
There you go. By the way, this is a good answer, a better one than the first one. Jawaban kedua jauh lebih cepat dan lebih bagus daripada jawaban pertama. Oke, Ca? Acuh!
Huh?
No, Anissa. I don't know what's going on with her project. Something's gone wrong. Here you go. She's hitting her sister. Astaghfirullah. Poor sister. Anissa, are you ready?
I will say to her sister.
Anissa, are you ready? Anissa, are you ready? Anissa, are you ready?
Aku belum makan.
Me too. That's why we need to finish it. Anissa,
Yes.
are you ready? Okay, so what natural disaster has our country experienced?
Flood.
Hey, nggak ada tuh flood apaan? What's the English of banjir? How do you say banjir in English? It's not flood. Cha, how do you say it?
What, Miss?
What is banjir in English?
Flood. I got it.
Flood. No, flood. Just like
Yeah.
blood. Blood, flood. So it's not flood, it's flood. Blood, flood. If you don't believe me, nggak percaya.
Okay. I don't know, Miss. Sorry.
Okay, check this one out. Hal-hal yang kecil gitu pengaruh ke nilai pengucapan.
Flood.
Can you hear it?
Flood.
Yes.
Flood. Blood, flood. So not flood, flood. Okay. Anissa, what natural disaster has our country experienced?
In my country, disaster is flood.
Was it scary?
Yes, it's so scary.
Why?
Because the water is so fast.
Yang gampang-gampang aja. Because the water is so fast. Okay. So, if you had a flood, what would you do?
Skate.
Complete sentence. What if you had a flood? If you had flood, what would you do?
What?
I would
skate on the water.
I would skate. Surf. Skate or surf?
Surf.
Skate is pakai sepatu roda. So I was like, huh? Skate or surf?
Surf.
Surf on the
water.
There you go. I would surf on the water. Okay. So, biasanya kalau udah sampai part 3, part bagian yang menanyakan tentang kalian. It's the end of the test, and the proctor will ask something like, do you have any questions? Ada pertanyaan? Do you have any questions?
No, I haven't.
No, I have.
Nah, dijawab atuh, jangan pakai body language.
Okay.
Okay. So, yeah, by the way, your greetings, the way you say your name, that's also a part of the test. Kemampuan kalian menjawab pertanyaan yang bukan tes aja itu udah dihitung. Jadi sampai misalnya, hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening to Miss.
No, kok evening? Evening. Hello, good evening.
Evening.
So, kalau good evening-nya responnya lama, pasti udah dihitung. Alicia, what's your full name?
Sarangin.
Alicia, what's your full name? Alicia doesn't even answer the full name. Alicia, what's your full name? Nah, tuh. Itu bukan pertanyaan tes, tapi itu akan mempengaruhi juga. Kenapa? Karena respon kalian terlalu lambat. Okay, so make sure your responses are fast.
Gliding on a bicycle,
If you don't have
down, like and down, like and down.
I'm so sorry.
wheels on the bus goes up and down. Okay, so if you don't have any more questions, that's the end of your oral test. You may leave the Zoom room. Okay, don't forget to thank the proctor. Kalau udah dibilang you may leave the, loh, Alicia langsung menghilang. If the proctor already said you may leave the Zoom room, remember to thank the proctor. Okay, Caca, Anissa, did you hear that?
Yes.
Okay.
Miss, can you repeat again?
Kalau udah dibilang you may leave the Zoom room, please thank the proctor.
What? Wait.
Thank the proctor.
Thank you. Say thank you.
To the proctor. Pengujinya bilang makasih sama pengujinya. Oke, jangan langsung hilang aja gitu. You can say,
Okay.
thank you, Miss, good night, or thank you, Mr., good night. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, this is the end of our session. Do you have any questions? Ini sesi terakhir kita for 6A, and this is the last session with me. Do you have any questions? Sesi
No,
terakhir
I
bersama
have.
Miss
No,
Betty.
miss.
So, lucky you because you moved to Tuesday and Thursday karena kalian pindah kelas ke Selasa Jumat, Selasa Kamis. Berarti kalian nggak hanya akan ketemu Miss Teti. You will have another teacher next term. If you still stay in.
Miss Ria?
I don't know, perhaps because we have 4 teachers at the same time. Ada 4 guru yang ngajar di waktu yang bersamaan. Okay, so I don't know. No more questions?
No,
No?
I don't have.
Good luck with your oral test. Yang perlu diingat, berdoa dulu sebelum mulai tes. Ya,
Can I know? Oral tesnya hari ini.
Hari Selasa kan udah dibilang. Selasa.
Hari Selasa.
On
Minggu depan.
Tuesday. On Tuesday. Okay, sorry. Your oral test is on Tuesday. Please come on time. Siapapun yang dimasukin pertama ke Zoom adalah yang datang duluan. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. No more questions?
No, thank you, Miss.
Anissa, no questions?
No.
Okay then. Thank you so much for learning with me for the past 3 months. Good luck with your oral test, everyone. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome.